If you were able to successfully install Pear Deck add-on to your Google Slide, you can now start adding it to your presentation. So how will you do that? Simply click on Add-ons, select Pear Deck, and then click on Open Pear Deck Add-on. Okay, so at the right part of my presentation, you will see here Pear Deck and its features. Let's proceed to the our template library because this contains the slides or templates which you can use for your lesson or for your presentation. Click on our template library, and here are our sample slides for beginning of the lesson, for during of the lesson, and of course for end of your lesson. Let's explore this one by one. Let's begin with beginning of lesson. So here are again templates which you can use for your presentation. You can, if you want to use a template, you will just simply click it. So once you click your chosen template, that will be added to your presentation. You can also select more templates if you want, such as this one. If you want to change the question, you may also do so. So simply highlight the question and change it with the question that you want to be asked to your student. Same goes with this template. So it has a sample question which you can also edit. If you want to remove this picture, you can also do that and change it with the clip art that you want to use. But here is what you should remember for each Pear Deck template. Do not remove the instruction at the bottom part of each template. So as you can see, for each template, it has a special instruction for your student, such as this one. So it says that your students will be asked to write their responses. And here, they will be asked to drag an icon. Okay, how will they do that? I will show it to you later. Let's have now the template for during lesson. So once again, here are the templates or the slides which you can use in your lesson. If you want to add this one to help them to give them a stretch break, you can also use this. But I guess this 5 minutes is too long. You can change it with your with the number of minutes or seconds which you can use for the stretch break. You can also add more slides. So if you want to ask and the answer is true or false, you can use this slide. Okay. And lastly, let's now check the templates for the end of the lesson. So here are another set of templates which you can use. Simply click your chosen template and it will be added to your presentation. What I love most in the end of lesson templates is this one there. You can have an emotion check at an instant by showing this slide to them.